Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to download new money heist sticker pack for your WhatsApp in your Android device. So for this guys, just you need to open the WhatsApp and open the chat section of your WhatsApp, and here in the message box you can get the emoji icon. Just tap on it. From here you can get the sticker icon in the bottom side. Just tap on it. From here guys, on the top right side of your sticker box you can get the plus button. Just tap on it, and here on the top side you can get the sticker heist. Just you need to download this sticker pack on your device. After this guys, now I will show you how to use this sticker pack. Just go back, just tap on same thing, emoji icon, and here you can get the new money heist sticker pack on your WhatsApp, as you can see. So if you want to use any of them, just tap on it. Yes, you can see. So this is a very easy and very simple method to download the sticker pack of money heist on your WhatsApp. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.